Hello and welcome to another video from Bonsah.com. In this video series, I'll guide you step by step on how to build your business website, even if you have zero coding experience. We are going to build the website with WordPress, a powerful and free website building platform. To build a website without a coding experience, first you need a website building platform, for which you use WordPress. Why are you going to use WordPress? 1, because it is free. 2, it's because it's an open source. 3, it's easy to use. 4, it's secured. And most importantly, no coding. Next, you will need web hosting and domain name so that users can access your website online. In our first video in this series, I'll show you how to get affordable web hosting with free domain so you can kickstart your online journey. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, stay tuned because we've got you covered. Hey there, it's Samuel from Bonsah.com, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of purchasing affordable web hosting with free domain and installing WordPress on your hosting account. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up web hosting and install WordPress without wasting much time. Let's dive right in. But first, let's understand web hosting and domain names. Web hosting is renting a space called a server on the internet to store your website files like images, videos, and text so that people can access them online. On the other hand, a domain name is a web address people enter into their web browser to visit your website. It's unique to your website and acts as your online identity. For example, we have popular domain names like facebook.com, google.com, and our own Bonsah.com. There are over 300,000 web hosting providers on the internet. Each has its strengths and weakness. For business websites, we recommend Hostinger. So why Hostinger? Hostinger is a leading web hosting provider known for its affordable plans, excellent performance, and outstanding customer support. With data centers across the globe, they offer reliable and fast web hosting to millions of users worldwide. What is even better is that Hostinger provides free domain registration for their premium shared web hosting plan, which you'll be using today. Now that you know why you need Hostinger for your website, let's go ahead and purchase your hosting package. To get started with Hostinger, simply type in bonsah.com/Hostinger. This link will be displayed on the screen and also in the video description. Once you are on Hostinger's homepage, click on hosting from the menu, then click on web hosting. From there, click on claim deal. I highly recommend selecting at least premium web hosting plan. This hosting plan offers you unlimited bandwidth up to 100 website capacity, 100 GB of SSD storage, unlimited free SSL, manage WordPress, and a free domain name for 12 months. This plan is perfectly for small business websites that's not expecting heavy traffic right away. You can always upgrade to a higher plan when your website traffic grows. Click on add to cart. On the following page, you can choose the contract period for your hosting plan. Keep in mind that Hostinger, just like many other hosting companies, gives you a huge discount for your longer contract period. Once you have selected your contract length, in this video I will select 24 months. Scroll down on the page further to create your account with Hostinger. You can use your email, Google credentials, or Facebook account to sign up. After creating your account, scroll down on the page. As you can see, Hostinger offers a huge discount for your hosting plan. Next, choose your preferred payment option and enter your payment details. You can pay with your credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate. Once you have entered the payment information, click on secure payment to complete the purchase. Congratulations, you now have a hosting plan with Hostinger. Next, let's look at how you can claim your free domain. To claim your domain name, start by logging into your hosting account. Once you've logged in, look for the option claim your domain. Click on claim your domain to begin the process. This will allow you to choose domain name that is aligned to your brand. It is recommended to select .com domain if possible and keep it short and memorable. Check the availability of the domain name. If the domain is available, click on claim domain to proceed with the registration. To complete the registration of the domain, you will be asked to provide contact information, fill in the required details, and click continue. Hostinger will then send you a verification link to your email associated with the hosting account. Go to your email inbox and click on verified link to verify your domain. Once you've clicked the verification link, your domain will be successfully verified. And there you have it. Both your hosting account and domain name are available for you to use. You have taken an important step toward establishing your online presence. Now let's move on to installing WordPress and setting up your website. Before you move on, please take a minute and smash the like button. Now that your web hosting and domain name are ready to use, we are going to build our websites. And as mentioned earlier, we are going to use WordPress to build our website, and Hostinger offers an easy installation process. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and click on Setup. This will bring you to the H panel. From there, scroll down to the Website tab and click on Auto Installer. Then select WordPress from the list. A pop-up will appear prompting you to enter your website name, administrative username and password. This will be used to access your WordPress dashboard. Next, select the latest WordPress. The setup automatically selects the latest WordPress. Choose the language you want to use and click on Install. Hostinger will take you back to the H panel dashboard after the installation. Before we log into our WordPress dashboard, let's make one important configuration. From the main H panel dashboard, click on WordPress tab and select Overview. From there, toggle on Force HTTPS to ensure that all website requests are redirected over HTTPS. This will show your visitors that your website is secured. The HTTPS is what indicates the padlock icon in the web browser. Without it, Chrome will indicate a not secure when people visit your website. Lastly, to access your WordPress dashboard, click on Edit Website, and Hostinger will automatically log you in. Now your website is online. In our next video in this series, we are going to explore the WordPress dashboard to get familiar with it. If you like this video and eager for the next tutorial, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.